Good. Yeah. Niranjana, please
Yes.
tell about yourself.
So my name is Niranjana and I'm 22 years old. I was born in
Yeah, actually, in real interview, age बोलने का जरूरत नहीं because they have the biodata with you. For that way, they have the name, etc. with them, but still they want to know how you are introducing. Normally, we don't tell the age in our introduction. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Tell me.
So I was born in Malappuram, and from where I have completed my high schooling, and I have completed my bachelor's from the University of Kerala, and I'm currently pursuing my master's from the Central University of Tamil Nadu. And
we are that girl, Tiruvarur
yes,
girl. Acha.
yes, sir.
Oh, very good, very good. Acha, you are now operating from your lab or from your room?
Sir, I have found an access point in my hostel itself, sir.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. Super. That's good. That's really good. Now tell me, continue. Again, from the beginning.
Sir, I have to greet first, sir.
No. You start from the beginning.
Okay, sir. So my name is Niranjana VS, and I was born in Malappuram, which is a district in Kerala, and from where I have completed my high schooling, and I have done my bachelor's from the University of Kerala, and I'm currently pursuing my master's from the Central University of Tamil Nadu, and my interests include editing videos, making posters, and listening to music. And I'm a person who really likes to meet new people and know and learn new perspectives.
Super. Good. You told nicely. How many candidates are studying in computer science in your college now?
So in my class, there is around 20 people.
Oh.
And juniors too is around 20 people. Sir.
Oh, acha. 20. Correct. Good. So how many of you have been called for this interview from your computer science?
So only me, sir.
Only you. Correct. Good. Now, computer science and banks. Please tell me some points regarding this.
So banking is a sector which is growing very fast in like technology wise in India. It is growing very fast. So we can apply computer science knowledge in banking sector as well. For example, for digitalization and digital money and security, and for those aspects, we are using computer science in banking sectors.
Good.
And for encryption also, we are using the concept of computer science.
What is online banking. What is encryption?
So encryption is a method used to make one code to another form so that the hackers won't get access to the message we are sending, sir.
Oh, that is why I find it is given in WhatsApp, some encryption and all that.
Yes, sir. WhatsApp is end-to-end encrypted. So both sides, it would be encrypted.
Acha. Both sides means?
Both sides means sender and receiver side, sir.
Acha. Good.
Yes.
You told nicely. Good. What are the special skills you have in you?
So if I talk about my strength, I'm a quick learner. I can grasp things very quickly. And as far as emotional aspects are concerned, I'm an empathetic person. I can sense others' feelings and act accordingly. And I'm a compassionate person, and I'm very focused person. And I can explain things very well. I have been told that I can explain things very well. If someone can, and for example, if someone can understand a concept, I can explain that concept in a simple manner. And I'm self-reliant because there are often times we can't rely on family or friends. So in those times, I can go through because I'm self-reliant. So
Good,
these are
good,
common
good.
qualities.
What is your father?
So my father is a principal in an aided school, sir. High secondary
Oh,
school.
yeah, mother is a teacher, no?
Yes, sir.
Oh, good, good, good. Teaching family. They can ask
Yes.
you, why are you not interested in becoming a teacher?
So in fact, I like teaching because I can like I have been told that I can explain things well, but I haven't like thought about taking teaching as a professional job, sir. But I
Correct.
like teaching. Yes, sir.
Because banking offers better scope. So I would like
Yes,
to
sir.
come to banking.
Yes, sir. And also, I have to. I like a job in which I can take things into applicability, sir.
Very good. Expand NABARD.
NABARD is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, sir.
Can you tell me what is a demat account?
So demat account.
You are not studied. Demat account is an account we opened by people who are interested in buying and selling shares.
Shares, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, good.
I have read about it, sir.
Yeah, what is financial inclusion?
So financial inclusion is like including the side sector of the society, sir, like poor and women and scheduled class, scheduled tribe.
Mhm.
So including
No,
them.
no, no, don't tell like that. No. Financial inclusion is providing banking and insurance services to the poorest of the poor at
Yes.
cheaper rates.
Okay, sir.
That's all. Don't bring woman this and all that. Not required.
So because the government schemes like for financial inclusion includes those sections, sir. That's why I mentioned. Sorry,
No,
sir.
no, but simply poorest of the poor.
Okay, sir.
Actually, it is what you say is right. It is to take banking to villages where it has not gone and all that.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
and do you know what are the ways by which government is aiming at reaching this?
So there is certain schemes like Pradhana Mantri Yuvajan Yojana, and
Pradhan Mantri,
Pradhan
Pradhan,
Mantri uh,
Jan
some
Dhan, Jan Dhan Yojana.
Jan Dhan Yojana, sir. Jan Dhan.
Jan means people.
Yes, sir.
Mm.
Jan Dhan Yojana. And then
PMJDY.
yes, sir.
Mm.
And then Mahila Yojana, something like that is also there, sir. For
What is
women, for women
Mahi-
and
Mahila Yojana?
yes, sir.
But okay, tell me something more.
There are government schemes like that, sir. I haven't
Acha,
like
is it not given in the material that I have provided to you about APY, Atal Pension Yojana, then Pradhan
yes, sir.
PMJJDY, PMS, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. These are cheap insurance schemes. One for accident coverage, another for life coverage and all that. So these schemes are done. Apart from that, government is say RRBs. What is RRB?
Rural sir, rural something, sir.
A regional rural bank.
Regional rural bank, sir.
In Kerala, what is the name of regional rural bank? You don't know.
I don't know, sir.
Kerala Regional Rural Bank. Because discussion comes like that, I have to
Yes.
take you to that. Kerala Gramin,
Gramin bank, sir.
yeah, Kerala Gramin Bank. Okay,
Yes,
good,
sir.
good. So where are we now? 1 minute. 1 minute. Yeah. So likewise, you should tell about that, namely Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, etc. Then there are certain things like say opening of small finance banks. How many small finance banks are there now?
Sir, I'm not aware of
I think all these things are given in the material. 12 small finance banks are there. 6 payment banks are there.
okay, sir.
And
Okay, sir.
43 regional rural banks are there.
Okay, sir.
43 regional rural banks are there. So regional rural banks are opening more branches. Not only that, they appoint bank correspondents. Have you heard this term? Or business correspondents. That is representatives of the bank who will be visiting the houses of people along with that machine which can
Oh,
connect this. So that is okay.
okay.
So these things perhaps you are not studied or it is not there in the material I have given. I'm not sure. Doesn't matter because these questions are there in the material I have given you. Bankers Adda. Who is a
Yes, sir.
banking correspondent? What is SLR?
Sir, SLR is liquidity ratios, sir. Simple liquidity ratio.
Statutory liquidity ratio.
Yes, sir.
Statutory liquidity ratio. At present, what is the rate?
Sir, I'm not aware, sir.
18%. I have to give this in our Telegram page. Hmm. Mm, 1 minute. I'm just giving in our Federal Bank Telegram page. Present SLR is 18%. Present
Okay.
CRR, you know, you don't know. 4%. Then there is one rate known as bank rate. What is that bank rate? You know, 4.25%. There is one rate known as MSF rate. That is also 4.25%. That is interest charged for short-term finance. Then there is one rate known as repo rate. That rate is 4%. There is one reverse repo that is 3.35%.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
these
Okay,
things
sir.
you must know. What is the Reserve
Okay.
Bank? What is the Reserve Bank?
So Reserve Bank is a central bank which regulates all other commercial and other banks, sir.
Also,
So
Reserve Bank is
it
bankers
also,
to government, note
yes,
issuing
sir.
authority, foreign
Yes,
exchange
sir.
control,
Yes,
and
sir.
monetary
Bank
policy.
can,
Monetary
yes, sir.
policy. Yeah, that's
Yes,
right.
sir.
Now I am going to computer. What is internet?
So internet is known as networks of networks in which all other systems are connected through web, World Wide Web, and can share files and information to each other, sir.
What is digital banking?
So digital banking is a banking made through online methods such as like digital methods only without using currency or without using like passbook or something.
No, not that way. Without having a need to visit the branch in person.
Yes, sir. Without need to physically visit the bank in person, and we can just use banks using our credentials through mobile or systems, sir.
Good. That's good. Have you heard of the term NPCI? What is it?
Yes, sir. NPCI is National Payment Service of India.
No. Payment Corporation of
Corporation of India, which is a umbrella organization which regulates uh, retail payments, and it has certain products like UPI, which is Unified Payment Interface, and BHIM, Bharat Interface of Money, and then UPI, BHIM, and NP. Like there are products for it, sir.
IMPS.
IMPS
What is
and
that? What is the expansion?
IMPS is in interface for
No. Immediate payment service.
immediate payment service. It can be of two types: P2P and P2A, which is person to person or person to account. In person to account, we need account number and IFSC
But
code. All that.
not that much required. Leave it. Now tell me other products like what is the expansion of NIACL?
NACH is National for
Automated Clearing House.
yes, sir.
National Automated Clearing
Automated
House.
clearing house.
Then what is AEPS?
AEPS.
Aadhaar Enabled Payment System. I am giving the link for this NPCI in our Telegram page
Okay, sir.
and also in your WhatsApp. Where is WhatsApp? WhatsApp. Your number is 1 minute. Hold on. 949, na?
Yes, sir. 949757.
No. Don't tell fully. 94. Yeah. Good. So please go through that also thoroughly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then computer. Coming to computer again.
Yes, sir.
What do you understand by core banking solution?
So core banking solution is a host bank which controls all other branches, and all other branches will be connected to this core bank, and then a customer can like use the service from any of the bank, even if he has an account in another bank.
Core banking solution is a software which connects all
Yes,
the
sir.
branches of the bank with the
Yes,
main server.
Yes,
The
sir.
advantage here is people having account with A branch can operate their account from B branch also.
B bank also. Yes, sir.
So that's what it is. And now tell me, why banks are more interested in digitalization?
So digitalization can, because we are like advancing through the technology, so we have to move the banking sector also in that way. So digitalization makes banking more secure
Mm,
and more fast,
mm,
and it is more um, people can use banking just from their homes also.
mm.
So if we talk about the present times, we had COVID and all, so we can't go to banks like in person. So since digitalization is there, we can use our system or mobile from home itself. Sir.
Good. Do you know anything about digital currency?
Yes, sir. Digital currency is a currency like in online mode. Like it can be called as cyber cash or electronic cash also. It's an electronic form. The specific case of digital currency is cryptocurrency, which is encrypted, and an example of this is Bitcoin.
Mm. Bitcoin, some Ethereum and all that are there.
Ethereum is also there, sir.
So you please get to know 2-3 names of that also.
Okay, sir.
Because you are a computer science student, they will ask.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Will you be able to relocate yourself anywhere?
Yes, sir. I'm comfortable to relocate anywhere in the India, because I want to know about more places and more people.
No, but there is no need for adding all this. That much time will not be there. Simply
Okay,
say,
sir.
I am agreeable
Okay,
for
sir.
relocating. But
Okay,
they
sir.
will post you in Kerala only. No post
Okay.
possible. Now
Okay,
tell
sir.
me, who is controlling stock market?
So, stock market, World Bank.
No. Have you not studied about SEBI? SEBI.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Securities Exchange.
Security Exchange. Yes, sir.
Securities Exchange Board of India.
Yes, sir. It's a regulating bank.
Regulatory body.
Regulatory body, sir. Like
And,
RBI, it's a regulatory body.
And the chairman's name is Madhabi Puri Buch.
Okay, sir.
New person, Madhabi Puri Buch.
Okay, sir.
What are your strengths?
So my strengths are I can learn quickly. I can grasp and I can explain things very well. I have been told that I can explain things in a simple manner, and I can manage time very well. And the other things.
What happened? What happened? Suddenly you are forgetting.
Yeah.
You are suddenly you are forgetting, na? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Record or signal problem, na kya? Is it signal problem? No.
Sir, my microphone got disconnected, sir, for some time.
Yeah, that is yeah, that is okay. No problem. Now let me ask another question. What are your hobbies?
So my hobbies are editing videos, uh, making posters, and listening to music, sir.
Editing videos.
Yes, sir.
What are the different softwares that are available online free for editing of videos?
So the software I use is like Elite Motion and then CapCut video editor. Not paided because I'm not able to use paided apps yet. So I'm using unpaid apps.
Very good, very good, very good. What about posters? Posters means for which purpose are posters done?
So for events in college and department, I make
Acha,
posters.
Oh, very good, very good, very good. What is IRDAI?
It's again a regulatory body for rural development of France.
No. Insurance Regulatory
Yes,
Authority
sir.
of India.
Yes, sir.
Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India. Headquarters is in Hyderabad.
Yes, sir.
Some new person has joined that as
Yes,
chairman.
Subhash Chandra.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Shubha, 1 minute. Let me see that. IRDAI chairman. Subhash Chandra. No. Oh, he has changed. Subhash Chandra Kuntia was there. He has gone. Current chief of Subhash Chandra Kuntia has changed. Somebody else. Debashish Panda.
Debashish Panda. Okay, sir.
He has taken charge on 14th March.
Oh, okay, sir.
Debashish Panda.
Okay, sir.
1 minute. IRDAI chairman. I have posted in our Telegram page also.
Okay, sir.
Good. So now next question. Are you ready to take question?
Yes, sir.
Or are you tired? No.
No, sir. I want to know more questions, sir, so that I can prepare.
Good. Excellent. Now, what is IPO?
IPO, I don't know, sir.
Initial public offering.
Okay, sir.
Initial public offering. This is coming in respect of shares, When they
Okay,
go to
sir.
the market for the first time, they offer shares to the public. Right now, what we are expecting is LIC IPO.
Okay, sir. Sir, should I go through the stock market and shares and as well?
But whatever is given in our material only you study. It must be there within that. Or you search for answering the questions that are given in the book. So many questions are given. Whatever questions are given, for that at least you can find out.
Sir, I was going through the banking and related questions today, sir.
Oh, very good, very good. What is optical fiber?
So optical fiber is like fiber. It has layers and it is used light. It uses light. It is a mode of transferring data, sir. Uses light.
Light?
Yes, sir.
No. Optical fiber is a wires that are put underneath the ground for giving internet connection.
Yes, sir. Mode of transportation.
Optical fibers are about the diameter of a strand of a human hair. And when bundled into a fiber optic cable, they are capable of transmitting more data over longer distances and faster than other mediums. It is
Yes,
this
sir.
technology that provides homes and businesses with fiber optic internet, phone, and TV services. Just search in Google optical fiber. You will get lot of questions. You are getting verizon.com. I
Okay.
am giving the link for that. Please go through that. You must know this. You
Okay.
must know that. You can't be saying you don't know.
Sir, there was this question in that document you have shared too, sir.
Yeah, it is there. Then what is DBMS?
DBMS is a database management system.
Do you study DBMS also?
Yes, sir. I have studied, sir.
Is database a data warehouse?
Database management system, sir.
No. Is database a
Yes.
data warehouse?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
Because this question is given in the material I have given you. I don't know what is the
Sir,
answer.
I haven't gone through that computer science
Yeah.
session, sir.
A database is any collection of data organized for storage, accessibility, and retrieval. A data warehouse is a type of database that integrates copies of transactions data from disparate sources systems and provisions them for analytical use. They have given difference. Database means what? Data warehouse means what? There
Okay,
is
sir.
comparative review. So I am giving Telegram page link for that. Please go
Okay.
through that also.
Okay, sir.
Good. Next. So what is operating system?
So operating system is a software in which the user can it's an interface between user and the computer system through which a user can interact with the system, sir.
Can you name a few recent operating systems?
So Microsoft, Microsoft Linux and Ubuntu is also like operating system, sir.
Mhm. Is it called Microsoft or something else?
Microsoft Windows, sir.
Windows bolna. You must tell Windows 11.
Okay, sir. Windows 11.
Windows 11. Which is the latest operating system for 2020? Windows
Windows 11.
11, Windows 11, 5 latest OS, Apple macOS,
Yes, sir.
then
Apple.
Google's Android OS, then Linux operating systems,
Yes, sir.
and Apple iOS. I don't know the details. You must be able
The
to.
Apple iOS and Android are for mobile operating systems, sir.
Good,
The
good.
others are computer operating systems.
Very good. What is deadlock?
So deadlock is a situation when one system does not release the resources and the other system keeps waiting for the resources that is uh, kept in other system hands, sir.
How
So
can we
both,
recover? How can we recover from it?
so we can recover from it like using more resources, or like prevention can be also it's also a way to recover from it, sir.
I think you are.
Deadlock prevention.
Perhaps you are. No, I think you can be still more clearer.
Yes, sir.
Because your confidence level is low.
Yes.
Recovery from deadlock in operating system. Process termination. To terminate the deadlock, we
Yes.
can simply kill one or more processes. For this, we use two methods. Resource preemption. So I am giving the link for that in Telegram.
Okay, sir.
You must read those links.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. What is that? 1 minute. It is given as geek for geeks.
Yes, sir.
So please go through that. What is cloud computing?
So cloud computer, cloud is a big storage in which we can store data. So it's a virtual space in where we can store data. So
Can you name a few cloud computing companies?
sir, I'm not able to, sir.
What ma? You must know this. I think Amazon has got Amazon.
So Google also have.
Yeah, Google also. You can tell why you say you don't know. Cloud computing companies. I'm just searching cloud computing
Google
company.
Drive and all.
Amazon Web Services,
Yes, sir.
Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform,
Yes, sir.
IBM Cloud, Oracle,
Yes, sir.
VMware, like that. So many. I'm just giving a link, jigsawacademy.com.
Okay, sir.
Please go through that. This is not your subject only.
Yes, sir.
They may not ask, but general questions they can ask, because some of them may not be computer graduates, so they may not ask.
Okay.
They are all managers, so whatever they know regarding that, they will ask.
Okay, sir.
What is artificial intelligence and how it is used in today's technological era, especially in banking?
So artificial intelligence is making machine do the work which humans do. Similar to human, we can like practice machine to do work. So we have to it learns by experience. So we have to do some algorithms, give some algorithms, and make machine learn. It can be the learning can be in three
Good,
ways.
good. You are right. You are right. You are on time. You are on correct. What is
Sir,
the
which is the subject
different?
I have.
Yeah, difference between simplex, duplex, off duplex communication.
Sir, simplex is one way. Sir, I'm not able to recollect. Sir.
You have to
So I
study.
have to. Yes, sir.
You are
I
not
have.
studied. You are not studied
No,
these things.
no, sir. I have to refresh, sir. I have learned it in last semester, sir.
All these things are given. These questions are given in the bankers adda material.
Okay, sir.
What ALU does?
Sir,
ALU. What is it doing? ALU. What is ALU? Arithmetic logic unit. Is it correct?
hello, sir.
What?
Sir, it was.
Hello. What ALU does?
Sir, it's a unit in CPU, which is arithmetic logic unit. It performs arithmetic and logic functions and store intermediary results, sir.
What is the final year project you are doing now? They can
Sir,
ask you,
my
please be, I'm not interested in listening, but prepare for that
okay,
question.
sir. Okay, sir.
Where are the files in Windows stored?
Sir,
Very, I think you have to go through all the questions given therein. Which date is your interview?
sir, tomorrow evening, sir.
Tomorrow evening, you have time. So you can prepare, you can study something more. You just go through at least these questions.
Okay, sir.
What are the different icons present in your desktop? What is the difference between bug, error, defect, fault, and failure?
Okay,
What
sir.
is human computer interface? What are the features of graphical user interface?
Okay, sir.
That's why. So as it is, let me tell you, your general banking questions and all you are answering, but in computer, something very deep. So you may, if they ask you, you must be able to answer them with confidence.
Yes, sir.
You are answering, but with 70% confidence. But I want you to have 100% confidence in subjects relating to your area.
Okay, sir. So I
Good.
have gone through the banking session only for last 2 days. I've been going through the banking and I
But
forgot.
I'm not asking many questions from there. What to do?
Yes, sir. I went into deep, like in some topics, I went too deep.
Oh, good. I will ask. I will ask few questions at random. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Mm, what is the expansion of NEFT?
NEFT is like a funds transfer
Nas-
mechanism.
National.
National Electronic Fund Transfer, sir.
What is RTGS?
RTGS is real-time gross settlement, sir.
Correct. Which bank do you have an account?
So my account is a shared account with my mother.
Acha,
SBI
in
account.
Federal Bank, you said, no? Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is EKYC?
So KYC is know your customer, sir.
EKYC,
So KYC, I don't know, sir.
electronic KYC.
Okay, sir. Electronic KYC.
This question is given in page number 15 of Infinite Small.
Okay, sir.
EKYC is possible only for those who have Aadhaar numbers. While using EKYC service, you have to authorize the Unique Identification Authority of India by explicit consent to release your identity through biometric authentication to bank branches. The UIDAI then transfers your data comprising your name, age, gender, and photograph electronically to the bank. Information thus provided through eKYC process is permitted to be treated as an officially valid document under prevention of money laundering rules.
Okay, sir.
What are the sources of income of banks?
So sources are from loans, the interest of loans and deposits, and sometimes bank along with other insurance companies gives bank assurance. So from that too, and then from online banking too, we'll get
No, no. Through investment in securities,
Okay,
shares,
sir.
and all that. And most important is interest on loans.
Yes, sir. Interest on loans.
Good. You answered that. How many public sector banks are there in our country? 12.
So,
12. 12. You have not
sir,
studied this fully. Scheduled bank, private sector banks, regional rural banks, foreign banks, development banks, small finance banks. Page number 25
okay, sir.
of Infinite Small. Did you study?
No, sir.
Time illa padikka mudiyalai. Who is the governor of RBI?
Sir, governor is
Shakti Kanta Das.
Shakti Kanda Das, sir. Yes, sir.
There are 4 deputy governors also.
Yes, sir.
And yeah, if they ask about Reserve Bank, you must be able to tell. Now, Kerala. Kerala has how many districts?
14 districts, sir.
Malappuram. You are in
Yes, sir.
Malappuram district. Malappuram district collector. Who is collector or district magistrate? No idea. Then
No,
tell
sir.
me who is the MP or MLA from your place?
Sir,
Excuse me. Padikala. Theriyadu.
No, sir.
Theriyanum. Theriyanum.
Okay, sir.
Okay, very good. It's a vast area. We can go on be asking. Good. What is a bearer check?
Sir, bearer check in which the like bearer has like there would be a payment has to pay to payee and
Or bearer. Payee or bearer. Anybody can receive money.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is PIN?
PIN is a identification number, personal identification number.
What is PAN?
PAN
PAN, PAN card.
authentication number, sir. Personal authentication number.
Permanent
Authentication number.
authentication code.
Number.
No. PAN card. 1 minute. PAN card. Expansion is permanent account number. Hello, income tax number. Permanent account number.
Okay, sir.
Permanent account number is that one. Good.
Okay.
Any questions you have now? And yeah,
Sir.
let me tell you, this interview is more or less 50% luck only. Sometimes when you go, if they ask very easy questions, sometimes they become tough ones. So that is what it is. So any doubt, please ask.
Sir, will my job in Kerala itself, sir? Will I post it in Kerala itself?
Mostly yes, but there is no guarantee. Why you want within Kerala?
No, sir. I'm comfortable with any place.
But mostly, see, in my experience, I have seen they are all posted within Kerala only. They are not disturbed purposely. Boys only they post outside.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
But don't take my words. But this is only for encouraging you to say yes. If they ask a question, will you be able to relocate? That's the thing.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Any questions?
No, sir. I will go through all the questions you have asked me, sir.
And how will you rate your performance?
Sir, just now I'm not confident about the way I answered most of the questions.
Most a few of the questions.
Yes, sir.
I
So how
want-
is my communication?
No, communication is okay. Communication is okay. Communication is okay. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. This video I'll be sharing with you only if you want. It's okay, na? Or
Yes,
you want it to be posted online? No.
No, sir. I
That's what-
answered most of the questions wrong, sir. So
Yeah. Okay. Any other questions? Any doubts?
no, sir.
Now let me see your confidence now. You switch on your video for half a minute. Let me see your confidence.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Sir.
good. Good. You will succeed. Don't worry. Go with confidence. You will succeed. God bless you.
Thank
Best
you, sir.
wishes. Now I am getting confidence. You will be able to manage.
Okay,
Go
sir.
with this smiling face. You will succeed. Best wishes, but read something more. Date is
Okay.
known. Which date is interview?
Sir, tomorrow evening, sir.
Tomorrow, oh, Baba. Acha, please attend with confidence. You will get easy questions. And also, after interview, send me the list of questions they asked.
Okay, sir.
I know you'll be feeling very tired and tensed. But even then, afterwards, immediately note down the questions so that you can
Sir,
send it.
will they inform if I get the job immediately after the
Within
interviews?
3-4 days.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Within 3-4 days, they will tell you yes or no.
Okay, sir.
Best wishes.
Thank
God
you,
bless
sir.
you. I will not post it online. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
God bless.